Today I'm going to explore the Alkaff Park located at Woodley, or they called Woodley Park, that my friend messaged me today to explore and adventure with her. Good morning guys, this is Angie. Here we are at the Woodley Mall. This is the way going to this park, guys. It's nice here in this mall and it's my first time step on here, this place. So massive mall. Many food stall or food chain got list here, guys. I saw and read. I think this is the base one or two, and right now I'm trying to find the way going to that park. My friend is already at the park. Wow, nice. I met people to ask how to get there. They said at the level 2 got a connector bridge going there. So let's do this. Just follow the instruction they gave to me. Yay! Yay! So here I am, finally. Wow! Look at that. So amazing. Beautiful. Blue skies. Beautiful natures. High buildings. Big trees and so on. It's weekend, so that's why many people to come here. Sightseeing around the area or the park. It gives you good vibes, really. Guys, welcome to Alkaff Lake. This is it, the lake, located here at Woodley area, part of Singapore. Damn hot. It has similar to the other garden slash park that I have been or explored already here in Singapore, like the Botanic Garden and Gardens by the Bay, that actually done the construction or the maintenance is still going on, the maintenance this park. Nice, really, is surrounded by greenery, natures, big trees, high-rise buildings, and vibrant colors, beautiful flowers. So I end up here and hope you enjoy watching my video. So thank you guys for your support to my channel and shout out to my subscriber. Thank you so much guys. And I will write down the link, my long video that is related to this video guys. Just check the link and watch my long video and you can watch further around the area of this park that I have shared to you guys. And please considering subscribe, write comment down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to click the notification bell and all so that you'll be notified when I uploading new video. Please join now and get access to exclusive perks to my membership channel and just click the membership channel link below. Always stay kind to others, to your community and to your friends and family. Next time, see you again for another vlog. Thanks guys. Bye.